Now let's look at the k value in the k-mean algorithm. You may ask how to find the fine k value for the algorithm. The k value is the amount of data point you choose randomly choose from the data set in the beginning. It also means how many clusters you want the whole data set could be. So in here, I introduce a formula. It's called silhouette score. Silhouette score. And this is a formula, and from this formula, it can help you to help you for the best clustering. If you don't know the structure of the data set, like if you don't know how many clusters you want to split the data set into, but the silhouette score can help you to find the best k and the best amount of clusters. So the formulas look like this. It's very simple, very easy to understand. So it has several items in here. So I in here I just means each data points because you want to if you want to get this score, you need to get the distance. So the a in here, ai means average distance between the sample and the other samples in its cluster. We also call it intra-cluster distance. Is here, and the bi means the average distance between a sample and the sample in other clusters. It's called the inter-cluster distance. So we use bi minus ai. It also means inter-cluster distance minus intra-cluster distance. And this part, we need the biggest number between ai and bi. So in that case, the si score, I believe it's range from 0 to 1. When it's 1, it means bi is very big and ai is very small. It's close to 0. This is very big, this is very small, and bi minus ai is probably no big change, and bi and divided by the maximum of bi and bi is bi. If the bi divided by bi, it's close to 1. So this is the ideal scenario and ideal situation. It means bi is very big, ai is very small. As I said, bi means average distance between sample and samples in other distance, and ai is distance between sample and other samples in its clusters. It means if bi is very big, it means each cluster are far away from each other, and ai is very small. It means each cluster are stay together. It's very close to each other. That class data points in that class is close to each other, and bi very big means each cluster, the distance between each cluster are very big. So in this sense, if si score, silhouette score is very big, it means we get the very good cluster for the data set. So in here, as I said, I just means each data point, and we can finally we sum up them together and get the final silhouette score. Yeah, it's an average value. So as silhouette score is a measure of whether the clustering method is reasonable and effective. So let's look at this example. I applied the SC score into this example. Yeah, into this example. And I choose the K range from 2 to 6 in here. K value range from 2 to 6. And this is the silhouette score. And we find that when K equal to 3 to 4, between 3 to 4, the SC score is highest. So it means it's better to cluster our data set into 3 or 4 clusters. So this example tells us. So this example tells us the application of silhouette score on k-mean algorithm.